그걸 안 좋아하지.
안녕하세요. 뭐? 그런 거 올려. 이거 봐.
근데 그게 더 맛있어. 자, 이게
lost inside the crowd. Then I saw you smiling and the world got quite loud. Somehow you just found me in the chaos and the cheer. And you've been right here with me for a whole entire year. We built a world from coffee dates and late night honest talks. From nervous hopeful beginnings to our comfortable shared walks. And now they're shouting Happy New Year and the fireworks ignite. But my greatest wish was already granted, holding me so tight. So Happy New Year, my love, here's to what's in store. I can't wait to live another year and love you just a little bit more. Let's be rich in silly moments, healthy in this easy peace. Watch our humble little world and how it beautifully increases. Out with the old doubts, in with the trust that helps our love shine through. My whole life started over love the night I found you. understand each other's rhythms, how to bend and how to lean. You're my safest landing and my wildest, brightest dream. We painted our first apartment, put our books upon the shelf, and I can't wait to write more chapters. Just being myself with you, nobody else. And now the confetti's falling like a promise from above. My only resolution is to keep falling in love. So happy New Year, my love. Here's to what's in store. I can't wait to live another year and love you just a little bit more. Let's be rich in silly moments, healthy in this easy peace. Watch our humble little world and how it beautifully increases. Out with the old doubts and with the trust that helps our love shine through. My whole life started over the night I found you. They can have their resolutions, their ambitious, lofty goals. Mine is simply in the way your hand fits perfectly in mine, and how my heart just knows.